This is part 3 of skill 33. If I look at my top equation, it's already solved for y, so I can just go ahead and do a substitution in my other equation. So 6x plus 3 times y, which is 4x, minus 2, equals 12. So 6x plus 12 minus 6x equals 12. So this time the variables drop out, 6x and a negative 6x, but I get a true statement. So when I get a true statement, my final answer is going to be infinitely many solutions. So what is a solution in the top equation will also be a solution in the bottom equation. And as we looked in the last lesson, those two lines would actually be the same line. In example 3a, that equation is already solved for y, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in my other equation. So 2x minus 5 times x minus 8 equals 4. And this one, a lot of students miss because of I'm actually distributing a negative 5. So I'm going to make that a negative 5, and I'm going to make that a negative 8. So 2x plus negative 5x plus 40 equals 36. Equals 4. I'm a step ahead of myself. So negative 3x plus 40 equals 4. So I need to add a negative 40 to both sides. And I get negative 3x equals, and there's my 36, negative 36 divided by negative 3. And I get x equals 12. Now I need to find y. So I'm going to take my top equation, and 12 minus 8 equals y, or y equals 4. So I have my ordered pair in xy form would be 12, 4. And this time I'm going to stop and I'm going to check my answers here. So 12 minus 4, it does 12 minus 8 equals 4. So it does check. And 2 times 12 minus 5 times 4. So 24 minus 20 equals 4. And it does check. So that's how I should do the check in all of my problems, but I just took the time to show the check in this one. In my last equation, set of equations, it's already solved for y in the top equation. So I need to make this plus a negative, plus a negative. So 8x plus a negative 8x plus 10 equals 20. 8x and a negative 8x is 0, so my variables drop out and I get 10 equals 20, which we know is not true. So this is a no solution. Once again, if we were to graph those, I would have two of the exact same line. And that is the end of skill 33.